This is our first year attending the Next Level Summits. We came because we were contacted by Next Level Summits, and I would say this is so far exceeding our expectations. The individuals that you are going to run into here at Next Level Summits are of a higher caliber than what you see at your average trade show. You're able to discuss with people that truly understand your product, what you're offering, and the solutions to help their company.
The type of contacts you can expect to see at Next Level Summits are the ones that you want to meet with, but it's very difficult to meet with. I think the best thing that you can gain from coming here is the knowledge of the industry and the people who work in it, and understanding that they care about it a lot, and also how you can better help them as a vendor.
I think that the best thing that you can get from coming to an event like this is the networking opportunities. The type of content all here at Next Level Summits is what are the most current industry practices, what are the most current regulatory trends, where are we now and where are we heading.
The people you meet here are extremely valuable. You'll never get the opportunity to meet industry professionals in such a casual setting. Getting the opportunity to meet with food industry leaders and professionals has been amazing.
The people that we meet here are very high caliber individuals, and it's those high level decision makers that we're meeting on a case by case basis.
The summit was suggested by our VP of Sales as the best place to actually make contact with potential customers, and it has actually exceeded our expectations at this point.
And I've been coming to Next Level Summits for 5 years. We keep coming back because of the types of speakers they have, the quality of the attendees. Every year it keeps getting better and better. I'm a vendor, so I spend a lot of the time meeting the attendees and talking about what's going on in the food industry. So always looking at the next step of food safety and what's going on in the industry. The best thing I get from coming here is meeting people who I've been working with for a number of years and new prospects to work with my company. And you can't put money on the value of the vendors and attendees. The one-on-ones is the reason we're here. For me, that's the sole purpose I'm here for the one-on-ones. Lots of leads, and today was non-stop from 7 a.m. till 5 o'clock.
The one-on-one meetings that you have at Next Level Summit are very important because you have a chance to sit down uninterrupted with a potential customer and explain your product, and they're able to explain theirs as well. And you're able to actually find out if your product will be of use to them instead of going back and forth for multiple weeks and then finding out then.
The Next Level Summit platform has allowed us to have great meetings with customers that we have been wanting to meet with for a long time in a friendly, relaxed manner.
The one-on-ones have been really important. It's given us more time to have a better dialogue with a lot of the customers out there and how we can actually help solve their problems. I got some great leads out of here actually, so it's something that we're all excited about, our team is, and I think because of the people that are here, the one-on-ones that we've had at the show really make it what it is.